Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we would like to present our automotive related business project titled Radiator Pro Cooling Center. This presentation is prepared under the supervision of IR Dr. Adnan bin Rosli, and we will explain our proposed business, project management approach and overall feasibility. This project is carried out by 4 team members, namely me, Adik Silkhi bin Muhammad Arif Syam, Muhammad Irfan bin Kamal Zaman, Aufari Daudin bin Ramli, and Muhammad Nakib Uzair bin Rizal Effeni. Each member contribute to different sections of project, including planning, scheduling, cost analysis, and documentation. Introduce of business. Radiator Pro Cooling Center is an automotive radiator and cooling system service business located in Shah Alam, Selangor. The business focus on preventing engine overheating by providing professional radiator service. The target duration for the setting up this business is 60 days. Problem statement. There are several problems that motivate the establishment of this business. First, number of vehicles in urban areas is continuously increasing. Second, cooling system failures can cause serious damage to the engine. In addition, there is lack of specialized radiator service centers, and late maintenance often leads to high repair costs. Objective of business. The objectives of Radiator Pro Cooling Center are to provide professional radiator and cooling service, reduce customer waiting time, and improve vehicle safety and performance. The business is also aimed to offer affordable and reliable service while building long-term trust with customers. Scope of business. The scope of business include radiator cleaning and flushing, leak detection and pressure testing, radiator repair and welding, and full cooling system diagnostic. The center also provide thermostat and water pump service, as well as preventive maintenance consultant. Target customer. Our target customers include private car owner, ride e-hailing drivers such as Grab driver, small fleet operator, commercial vehicle users, and high mileage vehicle owners. This group require frequent and reliable cooling system maintenance. Organization structure. The organization structure of Radiator Pro Cooling Center consists of a business owner or manager, supervision or senior technician, and administrative clerk. Each role has clear responsibilities to ensure smooth operation.
Role summary. The manager is responsible for business planning, financial management, staff supervision, and ensuring quality and compliance. The administrative clerk handles customer service, booking payment, records, and inventory. The supervisor and technician manage technical operations, job assignments, and quality control. Project schedule management. Project schedule management is used to plan and control the project timeline. It ensures that the business setup is complete within 60 days, avoids delays and cost overruns, and optimize the use of available resources. Key processes in schedule management. The key processes include defining activities, sequencing activities, estimating duration, developing the schedule, and monitoring and controlling progress. These processes help ensure that all tasks are completed in the correct order and on time. Importance of schedule management. Schedule management is important to prevent delays during renovation and installation, improve coordination with suppliers and workers, identify critical activities, and reduce overall project risk. Critical paths method. The critical paths method identifies the longest sequence of activities in the project. Activities on the critical paths have zero slack, meaning any delay will affect the entire project. CPM helps managers focus on the most critical tasks. Critical path project. For this project, the critical path is A to B to C to N to G to M to O. The total project duration along this path is 60 days. Any delay in these activities will delay the business launch. Gantt chart. The Gantt chart provides a visual timeline of all project activities. It shows the start and end dates of tasks, displays dependencies, and helps track progress. The Gantt chart for this project is generated using Microsoft Project.
Next, Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is project management software used for scheduling and monitoring project activities. It is suitable for business startup project and support tools such as Gantt chart and critical path analysis. Features of Microsoft Project. The main features included task and schedule planning, Gantt chart generation, resource allocation, progress tracking, and baseline setting. These features help improve scheduling accuracy and project control. Benefit of Microsoft Project. The benefit of using Microsoft Project is include better coordination and communication, accurate scheduling, early detection of delay, efficient resources management, and professional project documentation. Why Microsoft Project is suitable? Microsoft Project help manage the 60-day deadline, identify critical activity, prevent worker over allocation, improve the decision making, and it is suitable for complex startup project. List of major activity. The major activity include shop lot selection and rental, renovation and utilities installation, equipment purchase and installation, staff hiring and training, business registration and marketing and launching. Equipment required. The required equipment includes radiator cleaning and flushing machine, welding equipment, diagnostic tools such as OBD scanner, workshop tools and safety equipment, as well as office and post system. Work breakdown structure, WBS. The work breakdown structure divides the project into key sections such as site preparation, facility setup, equipment and tools, human resource, business registration, administration, and marketing and launching.
Project cost management. Project cost management ensure the project is completed within a allocated budget of 250,000 ringgit. It focuses on controlling cost, time, and scope to avoid cost overrun. Cost estimation method. The PERT method uses three estimated: optimic, mostly like, and pessimistic. The expected cost is calculated using a formula EC equal O plus 4M plus P divided by 6. This method accounts for
uncertainly. Total project cost. The expected total project cost is 160,000 ringgit, which is within the allocated budget. This cost included all startup activities required to establish the business. Standard deviation and risk. The project cost standard deviation is 5,557 ringgit, indicating low financial risk and high predictability for the project cost. Probability analysis. The Z-score for the project is 16.2, which represent the probability of more than 99%. This means the project is almost certainly within the allocated budget. Earned value management. Earned value management is used to measure cost and schedule performance. It involves planned value, earned value, and actual cost, and help manager take early corrective action if issue occur. Conclusion. In conclusion, Radiator Pro Center is a valuable business with proper schedule and cost management. The use of Microsoft Project improve efficiency, and the business can be carefully launched within 60 days with strong potential for long-term success. Thank you for your attention. We are happy to answer any question. Thank you.